The basic 101 was to put 1 DHU and 4 air movers into every room. We no longer do that. I had to forget that because now it is so much more of a science. So now that it is science, we have length times width times height, and we measure everything so that we put the proper amount of equipment in each room and proper amount of dehumidification for the whole entire structure. Not only that, we look to make sure that if you have a tight envelope versus a loose envelope, which means you have cracks and crevices and windows and doors, that we add dehumidification to increase the dehumidification to make up for the loose envelope.